A DOS charger with a P0300 random misfire and a bank 2 sensor 1 running lean. We're gonna figure out why it's doing that, and this applies to almost any car. This is an O2 sensor test. You can see we have misfires on all different cylinders. You can see cylinder 2 is going up, cylinder 6, cylinder 8. Another thing you guys can tell, you guys look at the smoke on one side, it's a lot more, it's very rich on bank 2. All the issues are on that side. Right here we're looking at short term and long term, and when you have negative, that means it's running rich. When you're positive, that means it's running lean. So you can see we're stuck on the positive side. We're gonna force this with some starting fluid. I'm gonna spray it right here in the intake, and what it should do, it should make all these numbers negative. So take off the intake, spray a little bit, look at your numbers. Now, as you can see, there's no change. So we have a bad O2 sensor on bank 2 sensor 1. So get that fixed first. We got the new O2 sensor on, as you can see. Now it's negative. So now it's bringing it back down to the correct fuel trims that it needs. It's definitely running a lot smoother now. As you can see, all the misfires are gone, 0. So this is a confirmed fix. Definitely look out for your O2 sensors for these Chryslers, these Dodges. They're really sensitive to misfires.